Hey guys, today we are going to go back over our magic E words and talk about long U words. So first we're going to go over our anchor chart from last week so we can remember all of those magic E rules. Then we'll go over a new anchor chart with long U words, and this will help you make your list of long U words at home. And then we will create a graphic organizer together so you can complete your assignment for today. So let's get started. Here we have our Magic E anchor chart, and Magic E comes at the end of the word. It's silent and it makes the vowel say its name. So it makes the O say O, A say A, I say I, U say U, and E say E. We also have to talk about how Magic E makes the letters C and G say their soft sounds. So instead of saying G and K, if there's a magic E at the end of a word, the G says J like a J, and the C says S like an S. So in this word, the magic E is at the end, so it's silent. It's making this I say its name, and the C make the S sound, so it's ice. And then on this side, the magic E is here, so it's silent. It's making this U say its name, so it's saying U, and the G saying J. Huge, huge. Okay, now that we went over our Magic E rules, here is our Magic E and long U anchor chart. So we'll go through and look at all of the different words that Magic E and long U make. Tub, if you add a magic E to tub, it becomes tube. A magic E to cut, it becomes cute. If you add a magic E, it becomes rule. Here we have the word cub. If we add a magic E to the word cub, it becomes cube. The U says its name. If we add a magic E to the word hug, it becomes huge. If you add a magic E, this word becomes prune. Before we add a magic E, this word is flut. That's not a word. But if we add our magic E to it, it becomes flute. Same thing with this word. Spruck is not a word. But if you add a magic E to our word, it becomes spruce. Here, the U says its name, U. And then it makes this C have the soft sound. Instead of saying K, it says S. If we add a magic E, it becomes true. If we add a magic E to this word, it becomes clue. If we add a magic E, this word becomes blue. If we add a magic E, this word becomes dew. If we add a magic E, this word becomes glue. If you add a magic E to these three letters, it becomes puke. And then if you add a magic E to these three letters, it becomes duke. Okay, so now we're going to make our long U graphic organizer. So how to do that is you just need a piece of plain paper, and then you're going to fold it in half, just like this. So you're going to fold it in half so you have two sides. And then after you have your two sides, you're going to fold it again. So I'm just going to turn it and fold it again. You want to be as nice and neat as you can. And then when you open it up, you're going to have 4 squares. So in each square, you'll have a long U word, and you'll write that word, and then you'll have a picture to go with your word. So I'll give you an example. So the first thing I'm going to do is in one of the squares, I'm going to write the word blue. And then for my picture, I am just going to draw some blue. And then I went ahead and added a picture to go with my word. So I added a spruce tree to go with the word spruce. So here is my finished graphic organizer. I went ahead and added clue and then a magnifying glass and a little clue here. And then I added the word cube and I tried to draw a cube. So on yours, you're going to make your graphic organizer, pick 4 words like I did, whatever 4 words you want, but try to make them different than my examples, and then draw a picture to go with it. Thank you guys for coming along with me today to learn more about Magic E and make a list of all of our long U words. Hopefully this video was helpful and you'll have a head start on how to do your assignment for today. Bye guys.